This is the cat toy we're going to be making today. We call it the wand cat toy. You're going to need a stick, some tape, some scissors, and this is called mesh tube. We take the mesh tube and we cut pieces about 6 inches long, and then we secure them with a rubber band. We're going to leave the middle one longer so we can put it on the stick. Sometimes it can be kind of hard. And then we're going to take the tape about this long. And we're just going to make sure that all the mesh is secured onto the stick. And there we have it.